Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to rename your account name on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 PC. You can see your account name on here and you can see this account name on your startup window also. So let's see how to rename this. For rename your Windows user account, first of all you have to open Control Panel. For that, search in search box Control Panel. So once you open Control Panel, make sure to change this view by to category. So here you can see user account. Under that you can see change account type. Now click on change account type. So once you click on that, you can see all accounts on your PC. If you have two accounts, there will be appear two accounts. So I have only a one account in my PC. So click on the account that you want to rename. So here you have to choose change the account name. So now type your new name for your account. So once you type that, click on change name. So you can see your name has successfully changed on your account. But in here you can't see this. So we have to do one last step. That is right click on your account like this and click on sign out. You can see our user account name has been changed. Now you can see in here also it has changed our user account name. This is how we can change our user account name on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you got something from my video, please consider subscribe and make sure to tap on the bell icon. And don't forget to like to this video and comment your ideas about the video and share this video. Thank you for watching my video.